Happy St. Patrick's Day! My name's Haley. I'm the children's specialist at the Tewksbury Public Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make our St. Patrick's Day craft. Let's get started. For this craft, you will need glue, a pencil, scissors, black and white paper, a colored paper background. I chose blue for mine, and then strips of all of the colors of the rainbow. So red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. First step is to draw your pot of gold and your cloud. So I'm going to draw my pot of gold here so I can make it easy to cut out. Got my pot of gold. And I'm going to cut my cloud. So you've got my cloud there. Then you'll want to cut them out. My pot of gold is a little big, so I'm going to trim it a little bit. That's better. Alright, I've got my pot of gold. Now I'm going to cut out my cloud. You don't have to draw these two things before, but I think it helps with cutting out the shapes. All right. There we go. So I've got my cloud and my pot. So now it's time to glue these down. So add some glue to the bottom of your pot, but make sure not to glue the top quite yet. So I'm going to add some glue to the bottom here. All right, I've got some glue on the bottom. There we go. Add a little bit more. Make sure this bottom piece is glued down. All right, and then I'm going to add some glue up here, but I'm not going to press it down. So now take the strips of paper and put them in order. Red, orange, yellow, and then green. Oops, blue is stuck to my finger. Blue and purple. All right, I've got all of my colors in order. This might be a little hard, so you can have someone help you. It's hard for me to fan them out by myself. All right. So once you've got them fanned out in order, you're going to press them down here and make sure your pot's going to cover them. So it looks like this. Once you've made sure of that, add some glue to the bottoms here. Careful not to push them out of the way. Make sure your pot's still covering them, but you're going to glue down your pot here. Like so. So you've glued that all down. Take your colors, fan them out again. All right, I'm gonna grab my red piece. And you've got them all fanned out like so. You're gonna glue your cloud over it. So careful, you can have an adult help you hold these down if you need. It's a little hard sometimes to hold all of them. Add some glue at the bottom so they don't flip away when you grab your cloud. Make sure to glue down each one so they don't fly off of the other color. And glue to each one. Oops. There we go. Yellow's glued down. I'm gonna add some glue to green though. Oops. Some blue and purple. There we go. All right, and once you've got that all done, add some glue to your cloud. Make sure to get the edges so it stays glued down. And I'm going to put my cloud directly over the colors here, like so. All right. And that is your 3D rainbow. You can add some gold here if you'd like. If you've got pennies, you can glue them down here. I'm just going to pretend that there's gold inside here where we've got the rainbow leading, because there's always a pot of gold at the end of a rainbow. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you had lots of fun with this cool 3D rainbow pot of gold craft. It's very festive for St. Patrick's Day, so have fun with it. Add some gold if you'd like, whatever you want to do. But happy St. Patrick's Day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!